Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change language in Gardenscapes. If you are looking for a way to change the language setting in Gardenscapes, then here is how you do it. Launch open the Gardenscapes application on your smartphone, and once you're inside the home page, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right hand corner. Now in the settings menu that appears on the screen, tap on the language option, which is right now English in my case. A list of supported language will appear on the screen. Choose your preferred language, and after selecting your desired language, the game will restart. And there you have successfully changed the language setting from your Gardenscapes game. Gardenscapes supports multiple languages, which you can easily change to whenever needed by repeating this step. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe to the channel for more Gardenscapes tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.